Hello guys, hope you're doing well. I'm going to prepare natural cough mixture, remedy for cough mixture. Okay, I have my chopped onions here. I'm going to put them here, put some few here. Okay, oh, it's good to use a glass jar, all right, so that your concoction or your tincture will look tincture, T-I-N-C-T-U-R, I think so, would come out to be more organic. Okay, onions. You can use white onions or red onions. I use red onions because of the potency in it. I like the red onions. I prefer that to the white onions. All right, then I'm going to pour honey. I'm going to pour honey into this. Okay, to soak it, saturate it with honey or soak the onions with honey. I'll leave it for about 24 hours. And after 24 hours, I'll strain it and I'll start taking the syrup. It will end up being a cough syrup, natural cough syrup, and I'll be drinking because I've got a cough almost getting to 2 weeks now. There's still some residue left on my chest. There's mucus on my chest, and from time to time, I see myself coughing again. I don't want it to linger. I don't want it to stay longer. So, okay, guys, I've poured enough honey to soak the onions. The onion, it's like it acts like antiseptic or antibacterial. When you have cold and even you cut an onion and then you leave it half open in your room, it takes away the bacteria of the cough in your room. When your fridge smells bad, cut an onion, put half in your open it, put half in your freezer, in your fridge. It takes away the odor from the fridge. So this means that when you're cooking and then you cut an onion and you use half and you leave the half, whether you put it in the fridge or you put a cling film on it, wherever you leave it, it will absorb the bacteria in that atmosphere. So unused onions, don't use it. Unused onion, don't reuse it or don't use it. If you cut an onion, try and use all. If it's too much, chop it and put it in the freezer. Like this, the onion is a lot. I've put it in a sandwich, but I'm going to put it in the freezer. So the freezer will preserve it for a very long time, and then I can use it next time when I'm cooking. But if I leave it like that in the fridge, it will act like bacteria, and it will absorb all the odor and bacteria from the food in the fridge, and it's no more. It will not be useful for cooking again. Okay, back at home, I remember, because of economic issues, we don't use all onions. We leave half open in a basket in the kitchen, and then we go and use it again. But guys, sorry, it collects bacteria. So pick that for me. All right, that is why what I'm doing, after 24 hours, I'll strain it and I'll have the only honey left in it to act like cough syrup, because it's going to draw the nutrients, the antibacterial effect that is in this onion is going to extract it into the honey, and honey too has properties, healing properties. So the two infused together, it will help very well for me to take it as cough syrup, because this cough has taken too long, so I have to deal with it. I've been taking medication, I've been taking Benylin cough syrup and things, but nothing. So I'm going the natural way. So yeah, that's how you use onion. And then even when you have this is a half one, this is half, it's from the freezer. I'm going to put it back in the freezer. But if you leave it open here, anywhere like this, it's no more useful, okay? Because it's going to attract bacteria in the atmosphere. All right, guys, cheers. Please share this video as well for people to be blessed. This is from Lady P, the health coach. Cheers. Health is wealth. Okay? Bless you guys. Hello, guys. This is the moment of truth. My onion and honey infused cough syrup is ready. It's 24 hours now, so I'm going to strain it. Yeah, or drain it or strain it. and have the honey on its own. So let's open it. Okay, I think what I'll do is that rather is to remove the honey and remove the onion. Yeah, that's the onion. I think my onion is enough. What I'm going to do is, let me strain it. Yeah, that's it. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm straining it. Yeah. Awesome. So this is going to be my cough syrup. I'll squeeze some lemon in. Yeah. My lemon is frozen. That's it. This is, you can, like I say, you can use white onion or red onions. Okay. So this is it. It's ready. Okay. Now my syrup is ready. I'm going to pour it back in here. And I'll take about 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon a day. I mean, no. 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. I'm the herbalist pharmacist. Yeah, so I'm going to take 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. And within, I'm sure in 2 days' time, this cough will clear. Awesome. I have frozen onions here. What I'm going to do actually is to chop this frozen onion, and then if it's fresh onions, I would have squeezed it in. But because it's frozen, I'm going to chop it and leave it in to infuse for another 24 hours. Woo-hoo-hoo. So I'm going to get more onions, isn't it? You can see it's frozen. I'm going to get it icy off, wash it, get the icy off, cut them into pieces or as a can or two, and then infuse it into the onions and cough blend. Okay, guys, this is going to be very potent. Trust me, very potent. Okay, guys, I've chopped my lemon. I've chopped my lemon into half, frozen. Yeah, and I've just cut them into portions and just dip it into the infusion. So I'm going to leave it for another 24 hours. Then I'll take the lemon out and then keep it in the fridge. And take it, drinking it till my cough is cleared. Oh, tastes nice. If you let me taste a bit again. Oh, well. Very nice. Very nice. Guys, don't buy cough syrup anymore for yourself, for your children, or whatever. This is the best way to prepare cough syrup. Yeah. This is the best way to do it. Cheers. To your health, stay blessed. If you want more, this and more, speak to Lady P. 0794 735 6362. Cheers. To your health, stay blessed. Hello, guys. Now let's check the lemon bit. I put this lemon in. It's been in for 24 hours. Oh, the lemon is made it light. Okay, I'm going to take one. Those for coffee. I'll take 2. Oh, it tastes nice with the lemon flavor, but the lemon has made it more lighter. With the onion alone, it was thick. You can feel the honey consistency, but the lemon has diluted it a bit. But nevertheless, it's nice. Okay, now I'm going to put this in the fridge. I can take the lemon. I think I'll take the lemon out and then put it in the fridge. Taking the lemon out. You know, some of the cough syrup, they have lemon flavor in it. So then I can put the rest in the fridge. Okay. Yeah. So I've taken 1 tablespoon. In the next 4 hours, I'll take another. Okay. So guys, this is how you can, now I've got my cough syrup. Okay. Natural remedy. To your health, stay blessed. Cheers. Like, share, and comment.